confident and empowered. And I just would like to say to relax and let go. Going into this with that mentality will help make this movement feel a little more natural and effortless. Let's get started. All right, we begin with our right arm up, left arm up. Now going to add the legs. We're in second position, feet are parallel. We go plie, sit in that hip, plie, sit in that hip. Arms and legs together, we go. Plie, arm up, plie, arm up. Moving on, we're bringing our arms down our body while we go right, left with our hips 4 times. We go right, left, all together, plie, up, and right, left, bring those arms down. Good job, guys. Moving on to the second step, we do 3 walks into a ball change and reverse other way. So we go right, right, ball, change. And a ball change is just a little rock back on that back foot, step back on that front foot. Now our left leg is free, so we walk on that left, right, left, ball, change. Let's repeat that. We go right, left. Make sure you're using your plie, holding your center. Don't be afraid to add a little sass. Right, ball, change, and left. Right, left, ball, change. Good job, guys. Let's try move 1 and 2 together. So from here, ready, let's go. 1 and 2 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1 and 2, and we go right, left, we walk, and 2, 3, ball change, and walk, 2, 3, ball change. Great job, guys. Let's add on that third step. So we just come from ball change. We're gonna go back second into a hip roll. So we go hip roll. We're gonna drop down that right leg. The left foot is in plie, our left leg is in plie, our right leg is straight, our arms are down, our focus is down. So we just came from circle, drop. From here, we're gonna whip our head back up to slide back up. So we're leading with our head right back up. So we drop and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat other way. Circle, hip roll, drop. On this side, our right leg is in plie, left leg is straight, and we slide up. 6, 7, clap 8. That's my bad. So when we come up, 6, 7, we clap 8. So that third step, one more time from the hip roll, drop, slide up. 6, 7, clap 8. I almost forgot the clap. So third step, we're back in second. We go hip roll, drop, up. 6, 7, clap 8. And other way. 3, drop, 4, 5. Whoop, almost lost that balance. 5, 6, 7, clap 8. To help you not lose balance, if you keep your abs tight and hold that center, that'll help stay balanced on our heels a lot better. But clearly that moment, I still lost my balance. It happens sometimes. And yeah, let's try that third step one more time, and then I'll add on the fourth. Good job, guys. So we go hip roll, drop, up. 6, 7, clap 8. And hip roll, drop, up. 6, 7, clap 8. Great job. Okay, the fourth step, we go from here, we clap 8. We just go, our hands are coming down our body, down our legs. We're doing a deep plie. We're bringing the right knee in, focus goes to the right. Then from here, our hands come on our legs and we circle up. 6, 7, 8. And if you do put your weight on your legs for that move, it will help you kind of get up. 6, 7, 8. Then we repeat the other way. We do a deep plie, hands down those legs. Bring that left knee in, focus to the left. And then we circle around. 6, 7, 8. And for that last part of that 8 count, make sure that you're taking that whole time to kind of be slinky around. 7, 8, slinky. Around. 6, 7, 8. So fourth move from top, we just did third move, clap. Last move, we go down, bring it in, circle around, 6, 7, 8, and down, bring it in, circle around, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna finish off with our pose, whatever you wanna do from here, 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 here. Just have fun with it. All right, you guys, now that you know all the 4 moves, let's try it from the top all together. All right, we start in second into that plie, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go plie, up, and right, left, again, plie, up, right, left, we walk, and 2, and 3, ball, change, other way, 2, 3, ball, change. Third move, we go hip roll, drop, up, 6, 7, clap, 8, and hip roll, drop, up, 6, 7, clap, 8. Fourth move, we go plie, bring that in, and swing around, 6, 7, 8, plie, other way, around, 6, 7, 8, and pose. Great job, you guys. All right, so now you're ready to try it from the top with music. Subscribe and click the bell notification if you'd like to be notified whenever I post any of my videos. There's my dog. Thank you guys again. Till next time.